Welcome back to Overheat. Bugatti Motorhome 2026 External Design. Aerodynamic silhouette, using clean surfaces and flowing lines to create a more aerodynamic design than a typical motorhome. Exotic materials. For external details, lightweight, opulent materials like titanium, polished aluminum, or carbon fiber are used. Famous Horseshoe Grille. Bugatti's iconic horseshoe-shaped front grille is probably going to get a bigger makeover. Advanced LED lighting, detailed designs and distinctive Bugatti lighting are included in full LED headlights and taillights. Custom designer wheels, probably composed of lightweight alloy. These large wheels have distinctive designs that capture Bugatti's aesthetic. Innovative windows and doors, intelligent or automated panel or door systems that move to provide views and access. Interiors that are opulent and futuristic, premium materials, precious metals, exotic woods, alcantara, and premium leather. Custom furniture includes chairs and couches that are ergonomically developed and may have heating, cooling, and massaging features. Ambient lighting, LED lighting systems that may be adjusted to produce various ambiances. Kitchens, stainless steel or natural stone counter surfaces. Built-in appliances from leading manufacturers like Gaggenau or Sub-Zero, cabinets and drawers with streamlined opening and closing systems are examples of smart storage. King-size beds equipped with plush sheets and personalized mattresses. Technology and performance of the chassis. Strong engine. Should Bugatti construct one, it would have a strong engine, most likely a version of their W16 engine, a potent hybrid, or possibly an entirely electric drivetrain. Adaptive suspension, a cutting-edge suspension system that provides outstanding ride comfort in every road condition. All-wheel drive for optimal stability and traction. High-level security system, bulletproof glass, sophisticated surveillance, and additional security measures.